Let's be honest, buying a new car in 2026 can feel like a gamble. Every manufacturer promises incredible reliability, advanced technology, better fuel economy, and fewer trips to the repair shop. But once owners start putting real miles on these vehicles, the truth usually comes out. Some cars develop transmission problems. Others suffer from electrical glitches, engine issues, or expensive repairs that nobody expected when they signed the paperwork. That's why reliability matters more than ever. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants a vehicle that's constantly sitting at the dealership while monthly payments continue coming out of their bank account. Now, no vehicle is truly perfect. Every car can experience problems, and every manufacturer occasionally builds a bad example. But according to owner satisfaction surveys, reliability data, and long-term reports, some vehicles consistently stand above the rest. These are the cars that mechanics rarely see for major repairs. The vehicles owners keep for years without regret. The cars that seem to keep running while everything else starts falling apart. So today we're counting down 10 cars that have earned some of the strongest reliability reputations in America. These are the vehicles many experts consider among the closest things to nearly perfect in today's automotive market. And honestly, a few cars on this list might surprise you. 10. Toyota Camry, the reliability standard. For decades, the Toyota Camry has been the benchmark for reliability. Every time a new generation arrives, people wonder whether Toyota can maintain its reputation. And somehow, year after year, the Camry continues proving why it's one of the best-selling sedans in America. The formula isn't complicated. Toyota focuses on proven engineering instead of chasing every trend. The result is a vehicle that consistently delivers dependable transportation with very few surprises. Owners regularly report reaching extremely high mileage with basic maintenance. Mechanics trust them. Families trust them. Even rental companies trust them. And honestly, when millions of people keep buying the same vehicle generation after generation, that tells you something. The Camry isn't exciting. It isn't flashy, but reliability rarely needs to be flashy. 9. Honda Accord, the long-term champion. The Honda Accord has spent decades competing directly against the Toyota Camry, and honestly, many buyers remain fiercely loyal to the Accord. The reason is simple: balance. The Accord offers strong reliability, excellent fuel economy, comfortable interiors, and enjoyable driving dynamics without becoming overly complicated. One thing owners consistently praise is how well Accords age. Even after years of daily driving, many continue feeling solid and dependable. And unlike some vehicles that become expensive nightmares after warranty coverage ends, the Accord usually remains relatively affordable to maintain. That's exactly why so many people continue recommending it to friends and family. 8. Toyota Prius, the hybrid that changed everything. When the Prius first arrived, many people doubted hybrid technology. Some predicted expensive battery failures and long-term reliability problems. Instead, Toyota proved everyone wrong. The Prius became one of the most reliable hybrid vehicles ever built. Owners regularly report extraordinary mileage numbers while spending very little on fuel or repairs. The fact that older Priuses are still everywhere on American roads tells you everything you need to know. Toyota spent years perfecting hybrid technology, and the Prius became the biggest success story. Today, it's one of the safest recommendations for anyone prioritizing reliability and efficiency. 7. Mazda 3, the underrated superstar. The Mazda 3 doesn't always receive as much attention as Toyota and Honda products, but honestly, that's a mistake. Mazda has quietly built some of the most reliable vehicles in the industry over the past decade. The Mazda 3 combines attractive styling, excellent fuel economy, premium-feeling interiors, and strong reliability into one affordable package. Owners consistently report positive long-term experiences, and mechanics often praise Mazda's engineering approach. The best part? It feels more upscale than its price suggests, and that's exactly why many experts consider it one of the smartest compact car purchases available today. 6. Lexus ES350. Luxury without the problems. Luxury vehicles often come with a reputation for expensive repairs. The Lexus ES350 is different, because underneath the luxury features is Toyota engineering. That means buyers get premium comfort, quiet cabins, smooth rides, and upscale interiors without many of the reliability concerns associated with European luxury brands. The ES350 has built a reputation for being one of the easiest luxury cars to own long-term. And honestly, that's exactly what luxury should be. Comfort without stress. The fact that so many owners keep these vehicles for over a decade says everything about their reliability. 5. Honda Civic, America's favorite reliable compact. The Honda Civic has earned its reputation the hard way. Year after year, generation after generation, the Civic continues delivering dependable transportation to millions of drivers around the world. Owners love the fuel economy. They love the practicality. They love the low ownership costs. But most importantly, they trust it. Many Civics remain on the road long after competitors have disappeared. And honestly, that's one of the biggest signs of true reliability. Vehicles don't survive for decades by accident. 4. Toyota Corolla, the definition of dependability. If reliability had a mascot, it might be the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla has become one of the most trusted vehicles ever built. Mechanics recommend them. Parents recommend them. Financial advisors recommend them. And owners continue buying them generation after generation. The reason is simple. The Corolla does exactly what it's supposed to do. It starts every morning. It gets people where they need to go. And it rarely creates unexpected financial stress. Sometimes boring is actually a compliment, and few vehicles are more dependably boring than the Corolla. 3. Lexus RX 350, the luxury SUV. Everyone trusts. When people ask mechanics for a reliable luxury SUV recommendation, the Lexus RX is usually one of the first names mentioned. That's because Lexus has mastered the combination of luxury and reliability. The RX delivers premium comfort, smooth driving characteristics, advanced safety features, and exceptional long-term dependability. Unlike many luxury SUVs that become expensive repair projects after a few years, the RX has earned a reputation for aging gracefully. Owners consistently report high satisfaction levels, and honestly, few luxury vehicles inspire as much confidence as a Lexus RX. 2. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the modern reliability king. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid has become one of America's most popular vehicles for a reason. It combines everything buyers want: excellent fuel economy, strong resale value, practical SUV versatility, and outstanding reliability. Toyota's hybrid technology has matured to the point where many buyers trust it completely. The result is a vehicle that feels perfectly suited for modern life. And judging by its sales numbers, millions of Americans agree. 1. Lexus GX460, built like a tank. At number 1, we have the Lexus GX460. Because if there is one modern vehicle that seems almost impossible to kill, it's this one. The GX combines luxury with rugged Toyota engineering in a way few vehicles can match. Owners routinely report 200,000 miles. Many report 300,000 miles, and some push far beyond that. This SUV has developed an almost legendary reputation for durability. While competitors focus on flashy technology and complicated systems, the GX stayed true to proven engineering principles. The result is one of the most trusted luxury SUVs ever built. And honestly, if your goal is buying something you'll still be driving 10 or 15 years from now, the GX deserves serious consideration. At the end of the day, no vehicle is completely perfect. Every car can experience problems, and regular maintenance will always matter. But the vehicles on today's list have consistently proven themselves through real-world ownership, high mileage, and long-term reliability data. They're the cars people recommend to their friends, the vehicles mechanics trust, and the models owners keep buying again and again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe because we regularly cover the most reliable cars, the worst vehicles to avoid, and smart buying advice that can save you thousands of dollars. And before you leave, comment below. Which vehicle do you think is the most reliable car ever built?